Hey, this is Aaron Chen. How you doing? Welcome to this video. If you're here right now, this is actually a training on how to make money with JVZoo. Okay, so this is a JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial. If you're here watching this right now, you obviously know that JVZoo is an affiliate marketing marketplace. You can find lots of different products that you can potentially promote for yourself. Every time you sell one of those products, you potentially generate a commission for yourself. You get a little cut of what the actual developer of the product is willing to give you, and that's kind of how affiliate marketing works, right? But maybe you don't really understand how to do it exactly. So if you look at the screen right now, this is actually JVZoo. To get there, it's very simple. You just type out www.jvzoo.com, okay? If you want to get some training, all you need to do is you go to tools, right, on the right hand side there, and you will see this little thing called Start with JVZoo Academy, and you can enroll now for free, and it will literally take you through the process, and it'll show you exactly what you need to do. And I recommend that you do this because this is the best way to understand, what all the little buttons mean up here, right? And where to go and what to do and all that stuff. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a really quick crash course, okay? Probably over the next 5 minutes, I'll show you what I know about JVZoo and how to promote. And I'll even give you some strategies on what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, because a lot of people don't really know how to do this stuff properly. If you were to, market some of these products directly, you probably won't do very well, all right? And I'll talk about that again, why, right? So the first thing you want to do really is you want to create an account, right? And if you haven't created an account, what will happen is when you first come into JVZoo, there will be a registration page, and all you need to do is click on the page and then just register for free, okay? Then they're going to give you a login via your email, and then you can log in, and then you're going to probably see this page. Now, once you're here and you've signed up for free, it's basically like creating a free email account, right? What you need to do is you can come to my account, all right, and you can set up your payment profile. So the easiest thing to do to get paid is create a PayPal account, right? You can get your W-9s. If you're in the US, you have to set it up for tax reasons. If you're international, you probably won't have to do this, but if you're American, you definitely want to fill up your tax forms, okay, because that's very, very important in order to get paid and pay your tax money every single year, all right? And then I would come to product library, okay, once you have gone through the JVZoo Academy yourself, right? I would come to product library, and you can see different things like the actual product library, okay, which will give you every single thing. Now, the cool thing about JVZoo is that they've got products in basically every single category you can think of, right? So there's business and finance, there's cooking and food, there's employment, there's education, there's entertainment, there's health and fitness, which is a very popular one, right? So, how to weight loss, health for men, sleeping, weight gain, women's health, right? You can market gambling systems, home and family like gardening and home improvements. Lots of different niche markets that you can come into, right? Parenting, children and family, lots of really good stuff. Self-improvement, so anger management, dating. These are some of the big ones. Okay, what I recommend is the ones that are always really, really popular are wealth. Okay, so the wealth niche is very popular. The health niche is also very popular, and the dating niche, the love niche, is very, very popular. Okay, so these are the three big ones. If you promote products within this space, you generally be okay. All right, but what I like to do is I like to come back to the product library. I like to look at the top sellers list. Okay, and the reason why I like to go to the top sellers list is generally because if it's selling well, right, then generally speaking, they've probably got a pretty good sales funnel behind the product, okay? And you want the product to have a good sales funnel, okay? So if you look at the top sellers today, you can see, rank number 1 to number 10. These are the top sellers yesterday, and then you can see the top sellers past 7 days and the top sellers in the past 30 days. Now, I like to look at the top sellers in the past 30 days because this is a more accurate reflection of which one of the products are actually doing really well, because that's over a month, right? So a lot of these guys you'll see, generally speaking, they are in the make money, internet marketing, home-based business niche. Okay, so VideoZone, internet marketing platform, WordPress tag machine, Instant Product Lab Pro. These all sound like internet marketing type of products. Okay, so if you're in that space, then maybe you can come here and you can sign up to be an affiliate. And all you have to do is click on affiliate details and sign up. And here's the thing about JVZoo is that you need to get approved in order to sell their products as a seller. Okay, so for example, with VideoZone, I'm just going to click on affiliate details, and basically it will tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so there's some sort of promotion here. I'm going to click off that. And if you come down here, it will actually tell you that the sales price for VideoZone is $67 upfront, right? And you're gonna get a 50% commission, so you'll probably get 33.50 or whatever it is. Okay. Now, and it gives you an idea here. It says it's a sales funnel. The product is part of a sales funnel which includes up to 5 other products inside. Okay, now if you want to see the affiliate contest, you can click on this button right here, but I'm not going to do that. If you want to, you can check out VideoZone in their profile. They've got a host of other products that they're trying to sell as well. But in order to get access to this, you need to fill out a form and give them a reason why you want to promote the product. And sometimes they're going to ask for, they would ask you what are some of the strategies that you're going to use to promote their product. And the reason for that is because these guys have quite a good reputation and they don't want people spamming their stuff on the internet. Okay, so give a good reason here and then request affiliate approval, and when you get affiliate approval, they will send you an email, and you can also check it out in your back office, right, under your account here. I think under product library. Let me see. Sorry, under affiliates and under approved products. Okay, and once you get approved, you can go to approved products, and then they will give you a link. And when you promote that link and people buy from that link, that's how you generate a commission through JVZoo. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's kind of how you do it. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you what you need to do. Now, once you found a product that you want to market, okay, I would actually check it out. So I would click into the product, and I just want to see, exactly what the product looks like and what it's about, right? So I clicked on VideoZone, okay, and usually what happens is I'm gonna let this load a little bit. Yes, just
let me show you something cool.
Okay, cool. So I pause it. Yep. So this is basically the VideoZone sales page, right, that you're looking at right now. And what they usually have is they'll have some sort of title or on the front, okay, headline, create jaw-dropping live action video animations in just 3 clicks, okay, and then there will be a sales video, and it says, yesterday you would have needed a film crew, actors, and thousands of dollars, but with VideoZone, you just need VideoZone live action. And this product is basically a software that creates video sales letters. Okay, that's basically what it does, right? And then you can watch it, and if you think it's cool, right? And usually there's some testimonials. There's a bit of a video sales letter. And what I would do is, if I were you, is I would go through all this stuff. Okay, I would literally go through all this because it's pretty important, for you to kind of get a feel for what the product is about. Now, a better thing to do, and I highly recommend this for all the products that you're trying to market, is I would buy a copy of it myself, okay? Because you want to make sure that the product that you're marketing is actually good, right? What's the point of marketing a crappy product? Because what's going to happen is, even if you start selling a lot of these products, what will happen is that if it's not a good product, then the people that your potential customers that are buying it, they're going to find out that you're selling crappy products, and you're not going to get a very good reputation. So you're going to make money in the short term, right? But you want to be able to do this for the long term, okay? So listen, in this JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, I really want to teach you how to make money on JVZoo the right way, okay? So it's very, very important that you do this correctly, okay? So I would recommend buying the product just so that you have, I would say, authority on selling it properly, and you know whether it's a good quality product or not. Okay, so let's just say you go through this and you think everything's good. Now what you want to do is you want to obviously go back. You want to request permission for that product, okay? And then you're going to get a link in a couple of days, and then you want to promote that link, okay? Now, here's the big thing, and I am going to just kind of pull this up. Oh, sorry about that. I'm going to pull up a new document, and I'm going to kind of make this big if I can. Okay, now here is the thing that you don't want to do. This is what you don't want to do, okay? You do not want to drive traffic straight to your JVZoo promo link. You don't want to do that, okay? Because if you do that, what's going to happen? This is a no-no, okay? That's a big no-no. Do not do this, okay? Because what happens is, if you do this, I'm gonna just... Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry about that. I wouldn't do this because what's happening here is everyone online is doing this, okay? And because everyone online is doing this, you're going to look exactly the same as everybody else, all right? So never drive traffic directly to your JVZoo promo link. So that means, if you're using traffic strategies like, it could be anything. It could be driving traffic from Facebook, YouTube, SEO, whatever it is. You do not want to drive it directly to this page that I showed you just now, right? So don't drive traffic straight to this video zone page because there are a couple of things that you're going to miss out on. The first thing is once people come to this page, if they don't like the video zone offer, they're just going to disappear and you're never going to see them again. And what's going to happen is you've either spent a lot of time or a lot of money on that traffic and you're never going to be able to follow up with them, okay? So what you want to do instead is you want to put something in between, and I'm going to show you right here. What you want to do is you want to drive traffic to something called a landing page, okay? Now, a landing page is basically a website that you own, okay, that asks for an email address before you send them to the potential opportunity, right? Now, if you want to build a landing page, I can recommend a really, really good program called ClickFunnels, okay? Now, ClickFunnels, you can check out in the link below. I've got a little link to ClickFunnels. It is a very powerful funnel builder, okay? You can build anything from, landing pages to webinar pages to a whole sales funnel if you want to for your product. Anything you want, you can do in ClickFunnels, and you can click below to get access to that if you want, right? Now, a lot of people would do this. They would drive traffic straight from the they would drive traffic to the landing page, and usually they would send it straight to their JVZoo link, okay? Now, you don't want to do this, okay? This is a big no-no. Don't do this. If you do that, again, you're going to look like 99% of all the internet marketers out there. What you want to do instead, okay, is you want to create some value in between the JVZoo promo page and your landing page, okay? So if you look on the screen right now, what I would do is I would drive traffic to the landing page, and then I would put something called the value series in between the promo link, okay? Now, what is a value series? Now, a value series is basically your website, okay? It's usually a series of, I would say, 3 to 4 videos, okay? Where you can add tons of value to your prospect, okay? So basically, what the value series does is it's a series of 3 to 4 videos. Each of those videos is drip fed one day at a time. So so for example, they will go, let's just say you're driving someone from Facebook, right? Then they come to your landing page and you say something like, hey, if you want to create, amazing videos, then all you need to do is click, put your email in here and below, and I'll show you the solution to do that, okay? And this is, a product that helped me, to make $500 a day. And make sure you only make that money claim if you actually did it, okay? If you didn't do it, then don't say that, right? You don't have to say that. Focus on your prospects' pain points, and that's what will get them to opt in. So let's just say they opted in, they put their email address inside, they see your value series, and the first page is basically video number 1, right? Now, video number 1 could be, for example, so video number 1 could be something where you give them a tip or a trick on how they can improve what you're actually trying to sell. So let's just say you're trying to sell Video Zone. You can give them a free resource, for example, a free software where they can create or do something on their videos to add, conversions to their business, right? So I'm just winging this right now because I don't even use Video Zone, but it's important that you're giving them a tip. So you just need to give them one good tip on whatever you're trying to sell, okay, or whatever topic you're trying to sell. So if it's making videos, maybe it could be a tip on, how to use PowerPoint in order to create very, very good video sales presentations, okay? Or here is a free software that you can use instead of Video Zone if you want to create some really, really cool tips and, cool graphics in order to convert your video really, really well, okay? And then if you want to find out more information, you can click on the link below, and then when they click on the link below, it leads them directly to the JVZoo promo link, which is basically your affiliate product, okay? So JVZoo link, and when they buy it, you get a commission. Okay? And this is how you maximize conversions, okay? Does that make sense, right? I hope you're getting some massive aha moments right now. So why does this work? This works because what you're doing is you're basically putting yourself head and shoulders above all the competition out there, right? Nobody is doing this, right? And because nobody is willing to take the time to do this, you are going to stand out in a sea of internet marketers globally who are basically all doing the same thing and they're not adding any value to their potential prospects. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Can you see how that would help you tremendously in your business and how this would maximize conversions? Let me show you something ridiculous, okay? So, you see this one up here? Actually, there's, I'm just going to add this here. Traffic to landing page, which is basically what everyone's doing, okay? So, version number 1 that you can see on the top line here, right? This is version number 1. Okay? When people do this, their conversion rate is really, really low. It's close to probably about 0.5%. It's ridiculous, right? You do not want this at all. I'm just going to highlight this in red so that you can see it, right? It converts at 0.5%. So imagine that if you send 100 people to see your landing page, okay, your JVZoo promo link, only half a person will actually end up buying, which is just insane. That is just way, way too little, right? Now, if you do it this way, the second way, which I just showed you, where you drive traffic to a landing page and then you add something called a value series where you give them, different tips and tricks on how to actually get value from the product that you're trying to sell before you show them the product, right? This, if you do it properly, all right, you can convert at 10 to 15% or more. Okay, if you do this right, okay? And I'm not kidding here right now. This is incredible. And why does this work? Because nobody is doing it, and because by adding a value series, what you're doing is you're building a relationship with your potential prospects and you're getting them to know, like, and trust you. And it's all about getting people to trust you and to like you and to know you. It's all that combined, right? So just coming back to this really quickly before we finish off this video, I want to show you how to get more information. But before I do that, remember that this is only video 1, right? So if you want, on the second day, you can drip feed them using your email account and you can give them video number 2 that shows them another good tip about the potential problem that they have. And then if they want to find out more information, click on the link below and then it leads them directly to your JVZoo link or the product that you're trying to sell, and that's where you learn everything, right? So, and then again, day number 3, you send them another email because now you have the email address, right, which you got from the landing page. You send them another tip, okay? And every day that you send your potential prospect a tip, you're building a relationship with them. You're constantly building that relationship with them. They're getting to know, like, and trust you, and then boom! Once they're ready, okay, they will buy from your link, and that is how you command and engineer high conversions like this, 10 to 15%, versus a crappy 0.5% or 1%, which is basically what everybody else on internet land is getting. And that's how you get frustrated, and that's how you fail. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this information today as much as I enjoyed giving it to you. All right, good luck in your JVZoo endeavors. If you want to find out more information, if you want to spend a bit more time with me, please subscribe to my channel. You can see it's right on the bottom, red button there. Subscribe to my channel. I always release information like this every single week to help you to do better in your business. Let me know what you thought of this training in the comments below. And if you want to spend a bit more time with me, you want to see what I'm doing, if you want to see how I structure my value series, okay, how I structure my sales funnels, click on the link below. Register for my online workshop. I have it all week, or you can see what I'm doing right below this video, okay? And I hope to speak to you very, very soon. And good luck. Take care.